Ever wondered about the hidden food gems in Mexico? Welcome to a world where food is more than just a meal, it's a time-honored tradition, steeped in history. Mexican cuisine, a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage of humanity, offers a rich and diverse tapestry of flavors, colors, and textures. Each city in Mexico boasts its own unique food specialties, from the succulent street tacos to the exotic mole sauces. There's a culinary adventure waiting at every corner. Ready to embark on a culinary journey through Mexico? Buckle up. Baja. First stop, Ensenada, a seafood lover's paradise. Nestled on the Baja California Peninsula, Ensenada is a city where the Pacific Ocean generously shares its bounty. You can't walk far without running into a bustling seafood cart, each one a testament to the city's love affair with the fruits of the sea. Now, let's talk about the famous dishes. Ensenada's fish tacos are a must-try, a perfect blend of crispy golden brown goodness and tender fish, all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. Topped with a squeeze of lime, a dollop of creamy sauce, and a sprinkle of fresh veggies, it's a bite that's both simple and extraordinary. And then there's ceviche, a vibrant dish where fresh seafood is cooked in citrus juices and mixed with onions, tomatoes, and cilantro. The result? A dish that's tangy, refreshing, and utterly delicious. From the freshest shrimp to succulent octopus, Ensenada's street food scene is a deep dive into seafood heaven. Ensenada is indeed a seafood paradise, but wait till you hear about our next city. Next, we take you to Oaxaca, the home of mole. This southern Mexican city is known for its 7 varieties of mole, each with a distinct flavor and color. There's mole negro, the darkest and most complex of them all, and mole verde, a fresh and herbal delight. Don't miss out on mole amarillo, which packs a punch with its spicy kick. But Oaxaca is not just about mole. It's a culinary treasure trove that also boasts of dishes like tlayudas. Think of it as Mexican pizza with a crispy tortilla base, and chapulines, or grasshoppers, a crunchy snack that might require a little courage to try, but is a local favorite. To taste these delights, be sure to visit the local markets. You'll find the bustling Mercado 20 de Noviembre and Central de Abastos teeming with local delicacies waiting to be discovered. Oaxaca's food scene is something that you wouldn't want to miss, but we're not done yet. Our next stop is Piedras Negras, the birthplace of nachos. Let's travel back in time to the mid-20th century when, in a moment of culinary innovation, Ignacio Nacho Anaya first layered tortilla chips with cheese and jalapenos. Thus, the world's favorite snack was born right here in this vibrant city. Piedras Negras is not just about nachos, though. The city boasts an array of local delicacies that will make your taste buds dance. Take, for instance, the cabrito, a mouth-watering dish of roasted kid goat that's seasoned to perfection, or the barbacoa, slow-cooked meat that's so tender it practically melts in your mouth. And if you're a true nacho enthusiast, mark your calendar for the annual Nacho Festival. This celebration of all things nacho is a gastronomic spectacle not to be missed. Piedras Negras is a must-visit for nacho lovers, but let's move on to our final city. Last but definitely not least, we arrive in Mexico City, the capital of tacos. Now I know what you're thinking. Tacos capital? But trust me, the variety of taco styles in this city will astound you. From sizzling al pastor tacos marinated in spicy sauce and served with a slice of sweet pineapple to succulent suadero tacos, Mexico City has a taco for every taste. And let's not forget about the local dishes. Have you ever tried chiles en nogada? It's a seasonal dish, typically served during the month of August and September, which consists of poblano chiles filled with picadillo and topped with a walnut-based cream sauce and pomegranate seeds, giving it the 3 colors of the Mexican flag. And then there are the tamales, steamed corn dough filled with meats, cheeses, fruits, vegetables, or chilies. Each bite is a revelation of flavors. When it comes to street food, Mexico City is a vibrant tapestry of smells, tastes, and colors. From early morning until late at night, the city streets are alive with vendors selling everything from fresh fruit and juices to tortas, tostadas, and of course an array of tacos. The city's local markets, like the Mercado de San Juan and the Mercado Roma, are foodie heavens, offering a peek into the city's culinary soul. Here you can taste the freshest ingredients and enjoy dishes prepared by generations-old family recipes. Mexico City is a culinary wonderland that every foodie must explore, so when are you booking your tickets to Mexico?